Warm welcome to all. I hope you all are doing well. In today's quick learning, we will cover how to create pivot table in Excel, map, and how to create slicer and timeline. So here we have set of data having date, state, product, unit sold, and revenue for that sold or sales. Select the data, and to create pivot, you will click under insert pivot table. Let's create a pivot table under new sheet. So in this way we can create the pivot table. Let's go for the product and revenue. So pivot table is created. Now I want to see the state-wise sales. For that we will insert slicer. To insert the slicer, you will click under insert slicer and you can select the slicer. If you want to select as per the state, you can select that state. And if you want to select the multiple one, then do control and click on that state. Multiple state selection is visible. Now let's move this. Now we can see slicer as single column. If you want to make it as multiple column, then increase the column size. See here under option called as slicer. In slicer you can see slicer setting column 3. I'm increasing to column 4, 5, 6 like this. And you can make it size as needed. You can stretch this as per your data. I'm moving this slicer here and this way we can create a slicer. Okay, moving this here. Let's create one chart using this pivot table. Insert, create a chart called as 3D column chart. Let's create this here. Okay. And in this way we can align the slicer. From this, if you want to select the multiple state, like I'm selecting for Bihar, control, Maharashtra, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, then you can see that many state data and the sales for that data. Okay, so these are the benefit for the slicer where we can go for multiple selection and we can see data as per that state or slicer setting. Okay, and to clear the slicer selection, you will click on the option called as clear filter. It will clear all the selection. Last topic is we will create a timeline, like from which date to which date. For that, you will click under pivot table because under pivot table, we have all data. So you will click under pivot. If you click outside and try to insert the timeline, it will not insert. You will be getting error. So to create a timeline, you need to click under data. Select the pivot table somewhere inside that data. Okay, and in timeline, it will automatically select the date option where the date fields are there. Okay. So in this way, we can add the timeline. Okay. From this, if we want to see what's the sale for the month of December, click under that month and sale for December. For multiple months, you will select control and select the multiple, not the control, you will go for shift and select the multiple months, consecutive one. So like this, we can create the slicer and timeline in your data set. In next topic, we will explore more into dashboard. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.